One sound that I do hear quite often in the field
Uh-huh.
is just that the dishwasher sounds like it's running loud,
Yeah.
or when it's washing, it's like a loud buzzing or just kind of like an electrical motor type sound. That is always an indication that your wash motor's going bad, but that's another one of those things. If it's cleaning the dishes, just leave it alone because the wash motor is really where, unless you really have a knack for repairing stuff, you want to get a professional in to do it because there's a lot that can happen that just, makes it a whole lot worse.
Hmm.
That repair typically ranges anywhere from $300 to $700. So,
Right.
yeah, you're in the realm of the new dishwasher. So if you hear a buzzing and the dishwashers are still, or the dish are still getting clean, if you can live with it, live with it. So,
Yeah, makes sense. Maybe start putting some pennies in the piggy bank for a new one in a few
yeah,
months' time.
exactly.
Yeah.